Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily add a link to your Instagram bio. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments. So let's get started. Pause and open the Instagram app on your device. And then go to your profile. Next, under your profile photo, you will find this here option to change profile. Click on it. Next, you'll need to select links because if you add your link to the bio section, it won't be clickable and it won't be clickable for the special links section. Click on it. Next, add link. And now you'll need to either drive the name of that site, let's say, or that link that you want people to be able to click on. Pause. Or you can go to a web browser, copy the link and paste it in here. I'm just going to type in the title. Now I'm going to click Done. And as you can see, the link has now appeared. And in order to see if it's clickable, you can easily check it. If it's given this blue color like this, it means it's clickable. You can click on it, or whoever goes to your page, they'll click on it, they'll click on that link, and they'll see the site that you put in. So that's the simple way, friends, you can add a link to your Instagram bio. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please leave your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.